Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. BB is my helper today, although she's more interested in me throwing her toy than actually helping me in any way. There, you can see her. That's her little pose. She sits there with her butt in the air. She's just delightful. She cracks me up. I'm not going to show it because my living room's a little messy, but there's dog toys everywhere. I picked them all up, which is quite a feat for me to get down on the floor and pick things up. And then she and Charlie just spread them all around. They bring them to me one at a time. Don't you, BB? Yes. What? Do I have your toy? Where is it? Come on. This is different. It's a very plain, just white box, but it's really sturdy. I noticed when this came that I'm like, wow, that is heavy. Oh, another multiple diamond paintings. I've been getting multiples. The last one I got 3. Before that I got 2. You buy them from the same store and they send you. Alright, so this one has 3 in it. I will do them one at a time because I want to really, you know, take a good look at them. Obviously, they all come from the same store. And my husband bought some stuff from Wish. So all these little packages are coming in. I think they're mine, so I open them up. I'm like, I didn't order this. That's funny. Okay, they're both, all 3 are a nice size. Let's start with this one. It is a 40 by 40. And it is an adorable little penguin. And I will put the image up for you. So 40 by 40, full drill round. I don't know, lately these bigger rounds that I'm buying have the circle around the symbol. And I don't think I like that. It makes it harder to read. Look at that. What is that symbol? This is cute. I had a friend who was obsessed with penguins when we were in high school. It was kind of funny because she got to be mid-20s and she told me once that, you know, it's kind of bad when you're obsessed with something because then that's all you get. All she got was penguins, penguin shirts, penguin necklaces, penguin toys, penguin. Everybody saw a penguin and they thought of her. And she's like, I don't really like them all that much anymore. Funny. Be careful what you wish for. There it is. It's a colorful penguin, I'm going to call it. I don't think I'm getting that in. There we go. You know, they're supposed to be black and white, but this one's got red, blue, green, all different colors. And a lot of white background. I may learn how to use the 6-placer. I'm finally getting the hang of the 3-placer. There really is a trick to it. I saw one lady said she uses the 3-placer to place 2s. And I don't know, I prefer to just do them one at a time. Like, I'm all about the process, not the finished product. In fact, who knows what's going to happen with all these diamond paintings. Well, let me do the inventory. Wow, it's a lot. You know what? I'm gonna do them later. I've got 3 others to do. And I'll do these 3 with it. I put the image up, but there he is. Cute little penguin. Drills look good. I'll be able to tell when I open them up how clear they are. Let's see, what tools did we get? I got 3 of these, which is the small green boat bags, pink wax, single pen, and tweezers. Which I don't know, I'm not used to getting tweezers with a round, but hey, thanks. I like it. Okay, let's go through and take a peek at the other 2, because I can't wait, and I don't want to make 3 separate videos. These canvases are like really heavy duty, and they're kind of a little shimmery. I don't know, they're a little different. I really like them. This is my first Nightmare Before Christmas. Jack walking up over the hill with the moon behind him. I love that movie, and I haven't done one yet. But it's a 30 by 40. Full drill. I'm gonna say round because there's no lines. No, maybe it's square. I'll take a look at the drills. Let's see. Tell me if I'm right or not. No, they look round. It's full drill round. Let me, wow, that sticky goes all the way up to the top. I was watching a trick of putting, I think it was DIY Moon who posted it. I love watching her and her little boy Rocket. And her husband. But she used baby powder to very gently put it over the sticky that goes over the edge of the image. You know, you're always, I cover it with washi tape while I'm working. But when you're done, you're gonna have to frame it. And it's the pattern ends here, but the sticky extends at least another inch down below. So she used talcum powder when it was finished and just very lightly rubbed it on there, and it took away all the stickiness. And then she used a little damp cloth and wiped it off so it wasn't white. It was really a cool trick. I like that one. Okay, now it's flat. I can put it in the pile. There we go. And I will put the image up for you. I like the stars on this. And I think this is a good size. I can tell. I'll look at it again. Yeah, there's a couple straight lines, but most of them are, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors in 5 rows. So that gives some nice shading. These stars are cool. They're all shaded. Has a lot of colors. I would say 30 colors. That's gonna be a fun one to do. Okay, I got one more from this store. I'm happy so far. The canvases are nice. Really nice heavy-duty canvases. They put the paper on. This one is 40 by 30. Let me take a peek at the thumbnail. Oh, it's a horse. Let me see. Baby is eating it for your pleasure, so you can enjoy her eating. It's a small dog thing. She brings her food into the living room. I guess she figures we eat here. Why shouldn't she? No, she never eats in the kitchen. Oh, it's a unicorn. Okay. Oh, that is pretty. Look at that. That's gonna be, oh, ouch. That's gonna be beautiful. The mane has got like a rainbow colors on it. Boy, I wish I had a big table to do this on. What a mess. As long as I keep my hair off of things, I'm all right. There we go. And peel up the other side. Again, this has got about 30 colors. I think that's going to be beautiful. Let's see. Let's look at the drills for this one. Oh, yeah. There's the picture. I'll put the image up. I've lost track of how many times I've said that. The colors aren't super bright, though. Like, I'm looking at the side there. I see some green, some lavender, some ivory. I like that. I like pastels and muted colors. I like the bright colors. Who am I kidding? I like them all. I just love them all. I want them all. I have to have them all. Is that wrong? Okay, well, I'm going to do these inventories and make sure everything's here. This store is really, I'm happy with it. It numbers each color. It gives a symbol. It uses some crazy symbols. Triangles and 3-leaf clovers. The DMC number, the number of bags, and the number of drills that you need for the project are all in there, in every single one. That's good. I like these. I was trying to order things that were a little different. I was trying to order from different stores. I was ordering multiples from stores because I want to see if is one good and one's bad. What I'm finding so far is if you find a store that has good products, they're all going to be good. They're all going to be the same. I've also noticed lately, this is really weird, that a lot of the drills are coming in bags that are crumpled, where you can't read the numbers. They've put a little sticker and handwritten number on there for you. Like, I'm thinking maybe their inventory of drills are getting low and they need to be replenished. And it's only certain stores. So I have noticed that the oily drill problem hasn't been so rampant lately. I'm wondering if anyone else has noticed that too. I haven't gotten any oily drills in over a month. So that's good. That's great. If you like my videos, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. You'll be notified when the new videos come out. And come join us on Facebook. We're having a lot of fun. And there's going to be, in the next month or so, there's going to be some giveaways. Here and in the Facebook group. If you don't have Facebook. And thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you have a question, you can write to me. You can comment down below. Whatever you want to do. I'm always around to be, contacted. So feel free. You're not bothering me. I have plenty of time for those things. I say that now, but you know, who knows if someday I have 5,000 subscribers. I may not have the time. You take care. Happy diamond painting. And have a great day. Bye-bye.